guys, this is your girl Mizuki and welcome back to my channel. So we are back for another round of Artsnacks. We're going to be doing the month of May, and just to let you know, I am wearing the same thing because I am filming all these once, like one behind the other, or else I will never get this done. So let's continue for the month of May. So the first thing on the month of May menu, it says the Faber-Castell Gelatos. I think that's how you pronounce them. Don't kill me. They are $2.45 each, and this is what they look like. You know what? I've seen these around, and I've never tried these, so I'm really actually lucky I get to try them now. Let's see. So supposedly these are the staff favorites. It says you're in for a real treat with Faber-Castell Gelatos. These compact, vibrant pigment sticks are creamy, smooth, light, fast, and heavy, great coverage. They easily glide onto paper, canvas, or wood. That's good because that's all I use is wood. It says blending your new colors with or without water, and watch them melt into your artwork. So let's test these out. I think these are really cool. I'm super excited to actually try these out. So first thing is, it's actually like a chopstick. Chapstick is chapstick, not chopsticks. Chapstick. You can actually make it longer and shorter. I'm gonna do a little bit of a swatch here. Wow, they do glide super smooth. That's cool. Look at this. And it's so vibrant. It's smudgeable. Let me try the other color. And this said you can use it with water too if you want. I'm not gonna go get water. You know, the only good thing about this, look, it actually, you can mix them together, which is really nice. I actually will love to get a case of these and review them. So, the pros about these, I would have to say, if you guys use pastel, and they're really messy. You get it all over your fingers, you get that ugly texture. And I think the casing for these actually prevents that, and that's what I really like the most. That's what's selling me the product, really. I really like this, and it's like something super small. You could put it in your bag, a couple of colors, and yeah, so I definitely do recommend these. These are really nice, guys. Look, they actually blend super nice. Now my dogs are making noise after my baby fell asleep, right? Definitely recommend these. I think I'm gonna actually look into it and buy like several colors and then review them on their own. But yeah, the cool thing about this, you can actually blend the colors, as you can see with my swatches, without water, but you can also use with water. So that's definitely a pro. I don't find any other cons other than less product inside, but I think this is really good. Keeping these. Alright guys, so the next thing I want to show you is the Faber-Castell water brush. Now I'm not taking it out of the bag. I have several of these, and basically it's a brush that has water inside. Well, you add the water inside and then it leaks every time you press it. So this is a good thing. I definitely recommend these. You can get them in other styles as well, like other different tips. But let me read about them. Let's see, but I don't have this exact one. I have other ones, so let me read about them. So this retails for $7.99. It says nothing holds water like this brush. The brush is perfect tool to mix media artists. Just unscrew the top and fill it with water and start painting. It says gently pressure on the barrel will allow water to flow through the tip. Another cool detail: the sharp point on the cap can be used for scratching and scraping techniques. Oh, ooh, interesting. So this is what it looks like, guys. I guess I'll open it, right, to show you guys what it actually looks like. I didn't really want to open it because I wanted to give it to somebody just like this. So this is what it looks like. You open it like this, you push, and the water comes out through here. You add the water through there, and yeah. So this one I'm not gonna keep because I have several of them, and a lucky winner will receive that. The next thing is a marker. It says this is a chart pack Spectra AD marker. This retails for $5.70. So let me show you what this looks like. I got the color blue. It's double-ended, which is cool too. This one has the brush nib, and then this one has the chiseled tip. So let me read about it before I give you any swatches. So it says, from its brilliant alcohol-based ink to its shaped body, the Spectra AD marker was designed with the artist's mind. It's a twin tip, offers wide range of line options. The flexibility of a brush nib delivers a smooth line that adjusts with pressure. It says, while the tri-nib provides thin, medium, and thick lines with a simple twist of the wrist, with the flick of the wrist. So let's try it out. So it's basically saying that it has a 3-nib in one, kind of. So let's see. Not bad. So it goes really thick. This is the chiseled one, so that's pretty good. And then the brush, that's interesting. I like it. I have a lot of markers, so I will not be keeping this because then I want to get the whole collection. And I don't want no more markers. Yes, I do not want any more markers. I'm actually giving away a whole bunch of them for the end of the year giveaway. Some of them that I do not use. And why do I need to have them when somebody else can actually use them, right? So this is going to my giveaway pile. Let's see what else. So the next thing is called Marabou Mixed Media Art Spray. This is $5.99 it retails for. So this is what it looks like. I've never used anything like this other than a spray can. So let's read about it. It says, spritz some vivid color onto your artwork with Marabou Mixed Media Art Spray. This acrylic spray paint goes on a variety of surfaces and is permanent when dried, allowing the multiple layered of color textures before each use. Shake the bottle for 60 seconds before use. Alright, so it's actually pretty good. So it is mixed media and it's acrylic paint. So, and it's a really nice blue. Look at the blue. I don't know. The only thing about Artsnacks that I would have to say is every time they give me an Artsnack package, it's all the same colors, blues. So as you can see, I got the marker in blue. I have this in blue. So can't they do anything different? Like, give me some different colors, you know? Give me a blue spray. Give me a red marker. I don't know. Maybe I could figure out what I can do with it, you know? Better when I'm drawing. So let's spray. I hope this shit don't get out everywhere. Ah, it's light. That's pretty cool. It says here, it didn't say that on here, but like I said, it's mixed media, so they really didn't have to specify on it. But it says bright colored watered based acrylic paint, so you can actually, when it's wet, you can actually use it, keep using it and not let it dry like that. But if you want like a nice effect, so it dried really quick. Look at that. So if you guys want to do like a nice cloud effect, like a sky effect, this would be a nice little sky effect, I would have to say. What you guys think? I think it's pretty cool. And it dries super fast. Yeah. The paper didn't go through. I don't know if I want to keep this. Maybe I'm going to give this away. I'm not sure. So the next thing is a bonus item. Just give me like a little teaser kind of thing. So this is a Stillman and Byrne novel trio mixed media paper sample pack. This sample pack from the is a medium grain paper in 3 different tones, beige, gray, and black. With its enhanced wet strength, this paper is made for mixed media work. The full-size version contains this trio of shades in one sketchbook. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So it says beige, gray, and black. They gave me like a little teaser. So these are it right here if you're interested in getting like a nice sketchbook with these 3. Other than that, that is it for the month of May. Like I said, anything that you like from this video, I will not link down below, but I will mention the name on the bottom if you guys want to purchase it. That is it for the month of April. I would have to say there's pretty good stuff for the month of, not month of April, month of May. May. So that is it. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you subscribe, like down, comment down below, like this video, and also don't forget to follow me on all my other social medias down here. And that is it. This is your girl Mizuki, and I'm out.